is Kirk Wheeler, and I'm the CEO of Wheeler Investments, where we help you to learn to master the secrets of the wealthy. See, I believe in the biblical principles that we are to always get a return on God's money. Also, it says in the Bible that we are to be the lenders and not the borrowers. Of course, it says also that the poor will always be among us, but nowhere in the Bible does it say that you have to be the poor. So if you want to learn how to lower your taxes, increase cash flow, eliminate debt, acquire assets, let us help you at Wheeler Investments. See, we have all the different types of professionals in our team that will help you to become wealthy. The first thing you got to do in order to become wealthy, the first rule you must follow is to learn how to stop losing money. Align yourself with Wheeler Investments by going to wheelerinvestments.com and seeing what we can do for you. We offer such services: credit repair, tax reduction, debt elimination, wealth building, funeral burial assistance plans. Let's talk about that one for a second. Funeral burial assistance. How many people have really thought about their mortality? See, with the COVID going around right now, and people are dying left and right, and when I look on social media, I see nothing but GoFundMe pages. So we have a burial plan that will actually cover you and up to 7 people for one low cost of $50 to $75 a month. That's right, it'll cover 7 people for $50 to $75 a month. The entire funeral, the casket, removal of the body, everything. So go to Wheeler Investments and let us see what we can help you.